75% of SUV buyers regret their purchase within just 2 years. They're hit with unexpected repair bills, terrible fuel economy, or vehicles that simply don't hold up over time. That's exactly why Consumer Reports tested over 70 SUVs, and what they discovered was eye-opening. Only 9 models scored above 85 on their reliability index, a score that means your SUV is built to last well beyond 200,000 miles. One of these nearly perfect SUVs costs less than $50 per year to maintain. That's less than a single oil change for most vehicles. If you're considering an SUV purchase or want to ensure you didn't make an expensive mistake, stick around. Skipping this information could literally cost you thousands in repair bills. Starting our countdown with a surprise hit that stunned Consumer Reports experts. The Subaru Forester scored an impressive 86 out of 100, placing it firmly in the top tier of compact SUVs. What sets the Forester apart is its standard all-wheel drive. Not an expensive add-on, but built into every model. This isn't just for show. The Forester handles snow, rain and rough roads better than SUVs costing $10,000 more. You'd expect all that traction to hurt fuel economy, but the Forester delivers 26 miles per gallon city and 33 highway, numbers you'd expect from a sedan, not an all-terrain SUV. Subaru includes its EyeSight safety system as standard, something competitors hide behind premium packages. The Forester gives you bad weather confidence, great gas mileage, and built-in safety tech without breaking your budget. Here's something rare: an SUV that's both powerful and incredibly reliable. The Mazda CX-5 delivers up to 256 horsepower with its available turbocharged engine, enough to embarrass performance SUVs costing thousands more. Unlike those luxury models, the CX-5 doesn't fall apart after 60,000 miles. Consumer Reports and mechanics consistently see these vehicles sailing past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. The average owner spends just $447 annually on upkeep, nearly $200 less than the segment average. Even with turbocharged power, the CX-5 achieves up to 31 miles per gallon highway, proving you can have muscle when you need it and efficiency when you want it. The Acura RDX delivers perfect balance between luxury feel and everyday reliability. Backed by Honda's reputation for dependability, the RDX combines premium comfort with mechanical confidence other luxury SUVs can't match. Its turbocharged 2.0-litre engine produces 272 horsepower, while achieving up to 28 miles per gallon highway. Inside, you get leather seating, panoramic moonroof, and Acura's advanced safety tech as standard, not buried in overpriced packages like German rivals. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the RDX high for reliability, with owners reporting 10+ years of low-stress ownership and minimal repair bills. Unlike many luxury SUVs that depreciate rapidly, the RDX holds its value thanks to Honda's engineering DNA. If you want an SUV built tough, but doesn't feel like a truck, the Honda Passport hits that sweet spot. It's essentially a no-nonsense 5-seater version of the Honda Pilot, with more attitude and fewer compromises. Consumer Reports gave it top marks for both reliability and satisfaction. Under the hood, you get a 280 horsepower V6 delivering smooth power without turbocharged maintenance headaches. Despite being a mid-size SUV, it averages 25 miles per gallon highway. The Passport offers tons of passenger and cargo room while keeping controls refreshingly simple. No overcomplicated tech that breaks after a year. Honda's build quality shines here, with many owners driving well past 200,000 miles with minimal issues. The Lexus RX is that rare vehicle feeling premium without punishing you at the repair shop. It's been a Consumer Reports Reliability Rankings top performer for over a decade, continuing to dominate in long-term ownership value. As Toyota's luxury brand, Lexus brings bulletproof engineering wrapped in upscale materials, ultra-quiet cabins, and tech that actually works. The RX 350 features a silky smooth V6, while the RX Hybrid achieves 30+ miles per gallon, almost unheard of in luxury SUVs. The RX holds its value exceptionally well. Maintenance costs are far lower than German rivals, and it avoids common pitfalls of complex turbo systems and over-engineered electronics that break after warranty expiration. Once seen as a budget brand, Kia has done a complete 180, and the Telluride is proof. With an 85 out of 100 JD Power rating and perfect 5-star Consumer Reports reliability score, this SUV dominates the competition. For around $37,000, you get premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and a cabin feeling more like a high-end lounge than a family SUV. These features typically cost $55,000 and up in Mercedes or BMW models, yet the Telluride delivers them with a better reliability. Used Tellurides hold their value like luxury icons, with well-used models priced not far behind new ones. The 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, industry's longest, provides years of peace of mind. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid proves you can get both space and fuel efficiency in one SUV. This reliable family hauler belongs to an elite club fewer than 2% of vehicles reach, earning a perfect 5 out of 5 Consumer Reports reliability score. It delivers jaw-dropping 36 miles per gallon combined, adding up to over $800 annual fuel savings for average families. The Highlander is built for the long haul, with countless owners reporting 15+ years and 250,000+ miles of smooth driving. It also scored perfect 5 out of 5 in owner satisfaction, meaning buyers genuinely love owning it. No buyer's remorse, no unexpected issues, just consistent delivery on every level. While most SUVs lose nearly half their value in 5 years, the RAV4 retains a solid 61% of its original value. Starting around $28,000, the RAV4 gives you a well-rounded SUV that's affordable from day one. You get up to 35 miles per gallon highway, while having plenty of cargo and passenger room. Toyota uses a timing chain instead of a timing belt. Chains last the vehicle's lifetime, while belts need expensive replacement every few years. The RAV4 delivers long-term savings, rock-solid dependability, and daily driving comfort in a package that continues holding its value year after year. Topping our list is an SUV that's not just reliable, it's ridiculously cheap to own. The Honda CR-V has earned its spot as the go-to choice for hassle-free vehicle ownership. The average owner spends just $47 annually on maintenance. You'll literally spend more on monthly coffee than keeping this SUV running for an entire year. Honda achieves this through smart, simple engineering. The CR-V features fewer failure points, easily accessible components, and systems designed to last. Mechanics regularly see these vehicles push past 200,000 miles on original parts while running strong. After 5 years, the CR-V retains 62 to 70% of its value, practically unheard of outside the Toyota lineup. This SUV was made for long-term ownership and rewards drivers who stick with it. These 9 SUVs share one crucial trait. They're designed to save you real money through retained value, fuel efficiency, and minimal repair costs. They prove that smart SUV shopping isn't just about the purchase price. It's about total cost of ownership over the years ahead.